These loaded egg muffins are the perfect way to start the day. Make some and enjoy for days to come. Customize and add whatever you like. I loaded mine with veggies. I added some sausage, turkey, cheese, and lots of herbs, dill, basil, and chives. I seasoned the eggs with salt, pepper, added some crème fraiche, a little bit of Italian seasoning. Add the veggies, whisk the eggs very well for 2 to 3 minutes. Grease a muffin tin with butter or a baking spray or olive oil. Divide the batter in a muffin cup. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I like to serve with any freshly squeezed juice and some sliced avocados. Give it a try, recipe in the caption.